Under the stars where the moonlight gleams,
a little girl whispers her dreams.
up in the sky so wide and far,
She wishes upon a tiny star.
fly with me, big bird, into the night, over the clouds where the stars shine bright. Hold me close,
Don't let me fall. Dreams can take us.
above it all, at it all. Golden wings in the silver air,
Magic sparkles everywhere.
the world below fades soft and small.
As the sky sings to us all.